So in today's video, we're going to show you how to insert a button and then attach code to that button. So what you want to do is you need to be in design mode, but it automatically go in design mode when you do this. You go to insert and then you choose under ActiveX controls. You want to choose the first one. If you hover over it, it will say command button. That will then you can click anywhere and that will add it. If you then right click on it and go to properties, it'll bring up the properties table. So I usually name this something that is meaningful, so let's just call this CMD for command, so we know it's a command button. And let's go now. All the other settings usually are okay. You might want to obviously change the caption, and you can do that here. So you go to command now. So you can also open this up a little bit bigger if you want. So there are other values that you can change. You can also change the name. So once you've made those changes, you can go ahead and right click on it again, and then you can view code. And what it's going to do is it's automatically going to create the sub for this button. You can see it says CMD go now, which is the name of our button, and then underscore click. And then I can put in here message box hello. And now I need to take this out, so I can't click on this right now because it's still in design mode. So if I go back to develop tag and I take that off, now if I click on the button, that will come up. So that's how you attach code and run code to a button.